Going to be a porta potty review here on a new home site here in Portland, Oregon. This is on 80th Terrace and Garden Home Road. There's just one existing home here, and it's like this property's been bought and they're going to expand it. Here's the sign. And looks like they're going to put 6 homes on this side. Got the existing home and maybe 3 homes on this side. It's Garden Home Road. We got a porta potty at the end of this development here. Let's go check it out. I kept the existing home. So they're going to put 3 on this side. Another 3 over here. Actually, a very nice looking home. Looks like it's grown up quite a bit. And let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a Santai can. It's go time. Gotta love that. Go with SantaCan.com. Got a neighbor back here. Gonna be a little bit quiet. Let's go check this one out. Oh, it's like brand new inside. Well, it's definitely been used. No service record. It's a urinal. Looks like a brand new porta potty though. We got seat cover protection. Got our hand soap. Couple rolls of toilet paper in here. Oh boy, it's got a new porta potty smell in here. Don't think I've ever been in a new one before. But definitely been used. Very well ventilated in here. There's our methane pipe, keep from blowing up. Let's go check the outside out. Sitting on the corner here in the back of the lot. There's our vent pipe. It's go time. I'll give this a high thumbs up. Not bad, been used. I'm gonna put one lot there. Porta potty's way in the back. Go walk around this house, see what it looks like. Westwood Homes. Maybe some kind of water runoff. I don't think this is a garage. And there's our porta potty at the end of this street off Garden Home Road in Portland, Oregon.